Play with Scooter. Go play.
She said, I don't know, that last one came pretty close.
How are they doing?
These are good. You want to go? No, she's not ready to tackle it again. Well, look how she turns her head away.
Come over here.
Oh, that last got too close to her.
Come here, Annie. Come here. You're afraid of Scooter, huh? Here, let's go see Scooter. Come here, Annie. This cat has no nails, no claws. Oh, oh. You're afraid of her, Annie, huh? How are you so big and bad? You're way smaller than the dog.